Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make mascarpone stuffed strawberries. I love strawberries and love strawberries and cream, and this is just a decadent way to enjoy strawberries by filling them with mascarpone and some whipped cream. And I've got a couple of other flavor variations with chocolate and cream cheese that I've written down in a blog post, which I'll leave the link to down below, so click through to pin, bookmark and save whenever you want to make this and chocolate or cheesecakey variety. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know how you enjoy your strawberries. So I am going to first get on and prepare my mascarpone filling. So I'm going to whip up some cream, mix through some mascarpone, a couple other ingredients. And now for the strawberries. These are massive strawberries that I've got. I feel like I need to cut them into smaller pieces, and I'm going to work out some way to have them beautifully filled with our filling. So you could, if you want to, just chop them in half and fill them, or you could kind of use a melon baller to scoop out the top and fill them back in. There's lots of different options, which I'll cover in the blog post down below as well. But I'm going to get on and prep everything and show you as I go. So I'm going to get on and make my mascarpone filling. So I'm going to whip up some cream to make some lovely whipped cream, and then we're going to whisk in our mascarpone and some stevia and some vanilla too. But first let's whisk up our cream. There we go, that looks beautiful whipped cream. And now we're going to mix in a tablespoon of stevia, but you can do more or less depending how sweet you want it. I'm going to do quite a shallow tablespoon of stevia, and I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of vanilla in. Oh, there's a bit more, nice and vanilla-y, and we'll just whisk that in for flavour. And now we'll add in the mascarpone, the final ingredient. If you want it to be cheesecakey, you can add in 1/4 cup of cream cheese instead if you want. If you want it to be chocolatey, you can add in some cacao powder or cocoa powder. Really, it's up to you what you would like to fill your strawberries with. And get the last little bit of mascarpone in, and we'll give it a final whisk through. There you go, struggling to focus. Now we've got our beautiful whipped cream mixture to fill our strawberries, and I've already sliced the strawberries in half, scooped out some of the insides, and we're going to fill it back up with our lovely cream. As you saw, those strawberries were enormous, so I've chopped them all in half, scooped out some of the insides, and I'm just going to use a spoon to stuff the strawberry bag with the mascarpone. You could definitely use a piping bag and pipe delicate little tops to yours if you want, but I'm quite happy having just the mascarpone in there. Oh, it looks amazing. Strawberries and cream is one of my favourite simple sweet treats, and this is just a decadent way to enjoy it, and with loads of different variations. So I'm going to fill all the strawberries back up just like that, and you really can't go wrong with this beautiful platter full of strawberries with cream and mascarpone. They're so beautiful. You can even sandwich a couple together. They're all overloaded. They're just such a yum sweet treat that's low carb, keto friendly, and you can adapt to whatever filling you like. They look amazing. It's going to be a lovely sweet treat for the family. So that is the video for today for these mascarpone stuffed strawberries. I hope you'll enjoy them, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, leave a comment to let me know if you give this delicious recipe a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with all the flavor variations and the full recipe that I've gone through today. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.